Good evening, everyone. So, I am sending you the explanation of that two questions, which many of you might have not done. I am going through the revision, I have seen that. So, how to do that? Suppose mm, this was the first question. Suppose this is the question, okay? This was one question. Wait, I have not drawn properly. W you do on your oneself. This one I am explaining you. This was the question. Write the logo command for this shape. Means this shape will be given and you have to write the logo command for it. How to write? This way you are going to write it. In order to write the logo command, the very first thing is to from where do we start the turtle? Means from where we will keep the turtle and it will go ahead. We have to see that point. So I have started from here. Suppose this is M, this is M. So I will start it from here, this side. Okay. So the first command which I will do is FD suppose 50. FD 50. That means suppose my turtle is here. Suppose my turtle is here. So it will start FD 50, it will go FD 50. It will be long, okay? No space is there. That's why I am writing here. I am drawing small line, short line. Second command RT90, which it will be? Will it be 90? If I will go do 90, then my arrow will turn this side and it will go straight. So I cannot do 90. 90 it won't be. So what it will be? If even I do it, RT more than 90 we have to give in order to pull it down like this. So what we will give? RT 95 also we give, then also it will not turn in this way. So we will give RT 130. RT 130 we will give, then the arrow will turn this side and then again we will give FD 50. When we give FD 50, our arrow will go down. This line will be drawn. Okay, now you imagine yourself standing here in this place. Then your left side will be this side, this will be your left, this will be your right. So we have to go left, up we have to go. Imagine the shape of M. So what we will do is, we will turn here LT 130 we will do. That means the next command will be LT 130 and then again FD 50, and when we do FD 50 again it will go, again it will go up. This is FD 50. Okay. Then again we have to go down. So again we will do RT 130. Then again it will go. Some problem it is there, I think. So again we will do 130. RT 130 here, RT 130. Then again we will do FD 50. When we do FD 50, our arrow will turn this way and it will go down and the shape will be drawn. So which command we have written? FD 50, RT 130, FD 50, LT 130, FD 50, RT 130, FD 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 commands we have written. Once again I am writing it for you. It has become too messed up, so I will rub it. this sort of questions will be there in the exam. Okay, that's why I am explaining you. I have not explained because I wanted to see if you are able to do it or not. Many of you, instead of helping you out, you have done. So very good to all of them, those who have done it without any help from me. Very good. And if you want any further help, what you can do is you can download that mini logo turtle from the Play Store, which I asked you to do. If you remember, when I was teaching you that logo command, I have told you that one app is there which name is mini logo turtle app, so we can use that one. Okay, so you can use that one also. That is also can be used. So what were the different commands? Let me write it once more time. 7 commands were there. So the first command was FD50, second command RT130, FD50, then LT130 it will be, then FD50, then RT130, and then last command will be again FD50. So these are the different commands. This is LT, okay, for the shape M. I hope I am clear. Now for W, one more shape is there, W. What you have to do? You have to do just turn out. Means this command only you have to change. Like you have to turn, like I am giving you one clue. Okay. This is M. No, if you turn the M को उल्टा कर दो तो W हो जाता है. So you will start your logo from here, from the top. FD50, then you will do LT130, then again you will do FD50, then LT130. Here in W, in place of RT only LT will come, and in place of LT RT will come. That is only the difference. Okay, it's easy. So M only you remember how to do. FD50 first command, second RT130, third FD50, fourth LT130, fifth FD50, sixth RT130, and seventh FD50. These are 7 commands will be there. Okay, that's it.